Welcome to Sam's Game. Today we will see the photo warp effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Go to the file and select open and select the image on which you want to apply the photo warp effect. So it's a very pretty simple tutorial. So there is a few steps in it. Click on the background layer and just duplicate it. There will be a 2 layer. Well selected uppermost layer, go to the image and adjustment and select hue saturation and just reduce the saturation value to make the photograph desaturate and hit OK. Now selected that layer, just click on the FX or blending options, and in blending options just click on the stroke, select the stroke color, set the stroke size or position inside outside, whatever you want it. And just click on OK. Now just right click on selected layer and make it rasterize and select the polygon lasso tool. Do this selection as if you want to split this photo in 2 parts. So just make the selection like this way, so you can split the photograph in 2 parts. To complete the selection, just double click. So the selected portion we want to in new layer, so go to the layer, new, and select layer via cut. So it will take that selected portion to the new layer, and our photograph, that black and white layer, will split into 2 different layers. Okay, now selected layer, just go to the edit option, select the transform. In transform, select warp option. So it's a mesh like structure. Here we want to just make the photograph tear up, and behind that, or it's our color image or color photograph. In this way, any corner of the warp and just drag in this way, you will get the idea what is happening. So it will reveal our color photograph, and you can see it look like a photograph is here. You can apply on your photographs, create your own creation. If you like these tutorials, please click on thumbs up and subscribe Sam's Game. Thank you. Bye.